Don't mind me, just putting my tools back in the cabinet here. What? Welcome to the Gorilla Grow Cabinet. I'm going to explain to you why this is the world's #1 selling fully automated seed to harvest grow system ever made. Stealth. This unassuming black cabinet will fit seamlessly into your apartment or home. Durability. This may look like your average filing cabinet, but don't be fooled. This thick gauge powder coated industrial grade steel cabinet is built more like a safe. Security. Keep nosy neighbors and intrusive in-laws at bay with these reinforced triple locking doors. All inclusive. This turnkey system comes with everything you need to get growing right out of the box. Instead of piecemealing together your setup component by component, grow easy on yourself with one simple purchase. Superponics. Superponics is a fusion of proven hydroponic methods, and this beast of a hydroponic system includes automated top feed and deep water culture, allowing you to grow 2 to 5 times faster and bigger, all but guaranteeing your success from seed to harvest. Kind LED grow light. Your grow is only as good as your light, and surprisingly, this is where most systems fall short. Don't settle for a white light LED. Kind LED's award-winning dual-channel targeted full-spectrum grow light with UV and IR is simply the best grow light available worldwide. Odor-free growing. This Gorilla Grow Box features not 1, but 2 industrial-grade carbon filters. Ensures no odors escape and clean, fresh air for your plants. Airflow. In addition to the 2 carbon filter fans, this system includes an adjustable internal circulation fan, essential in preventing mold and mildews and growing strong, sturdy plants. Adjustable net trellis. This essential component allows you to yield up to 30% more by evening out your canopy, allowing you to utilize every square inch of your grow space and keeping those dense colas from toppling over. Reflective interior. These highly reflective magnetic panels effectively redistribute errant photons back at your plants. They're removable and easy to clean, ensuring a safe, sterile environment cycle after cycle. Lotus Nutrients. This simple and easy to use recipe is the fastest growing nutrient brand in the business. Guarantees your plants get everything they need to thrive from seed to harvest, tight internodal spacing, massive root systems, and dense, potent flowers. No light leaks. Super important. Our precision engineering ensure no light gets in, no light gets out, giving you complete control over your plant's growth cycle, ensuring fat, frosty flowers every single harvest. Automation. Growing does not get any easier than this. Set your seeds, mix your nutrients, set the timers, sit back, watch your plants grow. Return on investment. Invest in great grow gear and unlock your unlimited supply today. Save yourself some money by never having to walk into a dispensary again. This system is simply the best. Look, we've been doing this for over 20 years. Let our experience lead to your success. There's a reason we've won countless Gear of the Year awards for the products we innovate. Grow easy, grow safe, grow strong, grow Gorilla.